Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abunwada Biafra. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about conjunction in English and in Igbo language. Conjunction in Igbo language is njiko. Njiko. Conjunction is the word that holds or connects clauses, phrases, or sentences. Sometimes coordinates words in the same clause. So if you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So conjunction is njiko in Igbo language, meaning hold together or put together. Conjunction cannot be at the beginning of a sentence or at the end of a sentence. They hold units of clauses, phrases, sentences together. Okay, so let me just explain what is just a brief what is a clause or phrases or sentences. Though sentences, clauses could be sometimes they are complete sentences. Okay, so let me just because they have verb. Okay, they have not usually have verb. Okay, so at times they form a complete sentence. But let me explain just a brief explanation about their clauses and phrases, because I'm gonna be uploading a video to a video on these clauses, phrases, and sentences. So a clause can be simply defined as a group of words that contain a verb and also other components. Okay, sometimes a complete sentence. They are sometimes also form part of a sentence. Okay, so this forming part of a sentence is where the conjunction comes in. Okay, because forming part of a sentence meaning there is something that connects them with other units of that sentence. So what connects them is what we call conjunction. Okay, so a phrase, when it comes to a phrase, you can say a phrase is a group of words that just express a concept. And it's also used as a unit within a sentence. Okay, as a unit within a sentence, what connects this unit to other units is what we call conjunction. Okay, njiko means putting together. That's what puts them together. Okay, so in this note, okay, let me show you examples. Okay, so what I'm having here, the words that I'm having here are the words that the conjunctions I'm having here are the ones that have Igbo names. Okay, so in Igbo, so I'm concentrating on the Igbo language. Okay, so here we have na. This and is na. This that is na in Igbo language. Okay, so na or that. So but it depends on what you're trying to where do you place them in a sentence. Okay, this that. So remember I told you you cannot hope on the words when you look at this that. You know that could be when you're pointing at an object. It could be like that is in car in Igbo language, in car. So that's why I say you cannot concentrate on the words, because when you concentrate on the words you will make some mistakes. Because those days I used to think all the words that ends with ly are all adverb, without knowing that some of the adjectives ends with ly. So very important what I'm saying here, because this is why some of us were C students, English students then, okay, without knowing that is, So what the major thing is, you have to know what is this conjunction all about, okay, and what is the how to make, what are the conjunction all about. It brings clauses, phrases, or sentences together. So with that, you will know what is the meaning of this that, okay, what this that means in a sentence, okay, or what your how to use it as a conjunction. You're not using it as a demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective that goes with this that, near and far, okay. So you are not trying to do that. So what you are trying to do is conjunction, trying to bring the clauses or phrases or sentences together, the units together. So you have to put that in your mind. If you don't do that, you make mistake. When you see that, you think is nke. So what I'm trying to say here is the word can be used as another thing in another kind of a subject, or like another kind of in another sentence, or in another kind of stuff, okay. So that is it. I've said it before, but it's very important, okay, especially those of you that are learning how to speak Igbo. So not all the that is not all the that is nke. So here the conjunction is na, that is na, and is na, okay. So let's go straight and see, okay. Bottle, so this is and, we are dealing with the and now. So bottle and knife, bottle and knife, that's kalama. Bottle is kalama, remember. Bottle, kalama, na, mma is knife. Kalama, na, mma. Kalama, na, mma. So this is bringing these two words together, okay. That, na, okay. I'm happy that, because remember we are dealing, so you put this conjunction, the main subject in your head. We are talking about conjunction here. We are not talking about demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective, okay. So just conjunction. So you have to follow the subject, okay. I'm happy that he is fine. I'm happy that he is fine, okay. So this that is bringing I'm happy and he is fine together. So obi in Igbo language, obi dim ụtọ, obi dim ụtọ, na ọ dị mma, na ọ dị mma. So na, okay, na ọ dị mma, okay. If is another conjunction, ma in Igbo language, but is ma also in Igbo language, if, okay. So remember, is conjunction we are talking about. You cannot say if he give him. You cannot say that. You cannot put that at the beginning of a sentence. It must be in the middle of a sentence, so that it can connect the words, or it maybe connect the phrases or clauses, stuff like that, okay. So you put in your mind, we are talking about conjunction, so it cannot be at the beginning of a sentence. So if you ask, they ask you to underline something, or you say what is this, but if here or if here, if they say if give him, you cannot say it's a conjunction, because you see this if here, okay. So your conjunction always goes in between, or inside the clauses or phrases or whatever, okay, it connects together. Okay, so give him if he wants. Give him if give him. Okay, if you use this if to connect, if he wants. Okay, nye ya ma ọ chọọ, ma ọ chọọ. Nye ya ma ọ chọọ. Ma is a conjunction here in Igbo language, so ma is but. Okay, let's see how to use it. I want it, but he refused. He refused. Achọrọ m ya ma ọ jụrụ ajụ. Achọrọ m ya ma ọ jụrụ ajụ. Okay, until is tutu. Until tutu. Okay, he comes every day. He comes every day until I stopped him. Until I stopped him. Okay, ọ na-abịa kwa ụbọchị. Tutu. Are you getting? Ọ na-abịa, he comes every day until I stopped him. Ọ na-abịa kwa ụbọchị. Every day is kwa. Remember this kwa. Okay, let me finish first. Ọ na-abịa kwa ụbọchị. Tutu until. Tutu akwụsị m ya. This ụbọchị, kwa ụbọchị. Remember I told you when you see kwa, you know it's every day. Kwa afọ, every year. Kwa ọnwa, every month. But this kwa can be seen in other places only with the time. That's the time kind of word. That's the day, daily, month. You know, you use this kwa as every. For those of you that are learning how to speak Igbo, so when you want to say every day, you put kwa. But every month you put kwa onwa. So that's where you use kwa as a every. But you cannot use this kwa as every in everything. So it's like what I said just here. Okay, so this kwa, like we have example. Let me give you. I supposed to show you this in a review, but let me just help those of you that are learning how to speak. Okay, only kwa for the days. Okay, for the time. Okay, so kwa aqua. That's so clothes. Kwa aqua. You see, this kwa again is there. You cannot say every clothes because kwa here is every. Doesn't mean all the kwa is every. Okay, I will show you more of this when we are doing we go into review. Okay, so you keep watching because we are going to do a very great work in review. Okay, all these things will come out. Okay, you will get cleared. Okay, so very important. Before, so we are still on conjunction. Okay, yeah, so before tupu. Okay, he eats before he gives them. He eats before he gives them. So this before is connecting this he eats and he gives them. He gives them. Okay, so in Igbo language is ọ na-eri tupu onye ha. Tupu onye ha. Okay, so both ma in Igbo language, ma, that's both. Okay, do you also want both red and green bag? Ịchọkwuru ma akpa ọbara ọbara na ndụ ndụ. Okay, so whether, that's ma, is whether in English language, ma. Okay, I don't know whether he wants it. I don't know whether he wants it. Okay, I don't know whether he wants it. So you use this whether to connect these two. Okay, so amaghị m ma ọ chọrọ ya. Amaghị m ma ọ chọrọ ya. Okay, instead I'm supposed to put a question mark here because it's a question. I don't know whether he wants it. Amaghị m ma ọ chọrọ ya. Okay, instead, kama. Okay, he called instead of coming. He called instead of coming. Ọ kpọrọ kama ịbịa. Ọ kpọrọ kama ịbịa. As ka. It is as. It is as he said. As ka. Okay, it is as he said. Ọ dị ka o si kwue. Ọ dị ka o si kwue. Okay, in case, that's in case, maka. In case, maka. Okay, I will come in case he denies. I will come in case he denies. Aga m abịa maka o mee gọnarị. Aga m abịa maka o mee gọnarị. Because maka. Again, you see, this in case is maka. Also because maka also here. Okay, the difference. He danced because of her. He danced because of her. Ọ gbara egwu maka ya. Ọ gbara egwu maka ya. Then nta. Okay, if he cannot do it, then I do it. If he cannot do it, then I do it. Ọ bụrụ na ọ gaghị emenwu ya, nta m emee ya. Okay, ọ bụrụ na ọ gaghị emenwu ya, nta m emee ya. Ọ bụrụ na ọ gaghị emenwu ya, nta m emee ya. If he cannot do it, then I do it. Okay, so this is the group of words that okay, let me just run over them. Okay, the group of words in English language that that I use in as a conjunction. Okay, in sentences. Okay, so and, that, if, but, until, before, both, whether, instead, as, case, in case, because, then. So if there are other conjunction, please drop them at the comment section. Okay, in English, especially in English. Okay, so that other people will benefit from that. Okay, so thumbs up if you love love this music, if you love this conjunction, this class. Okay, so see you in the next video. I think our next video will be about the clauses, the sentences, and the phrases. Okay, so that you be able to connect with this conjunction. Okay, so see you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and introduce this channel to your friends and family. God bless you as you do that. Okay, take care and God bless.